Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed guide on replacing the cable on your Dyson HD01 vacuum cleaner. This process is straightforward, but it requires attention to detail and the right tools. Let's get started. First, ensure you have the following tools ready: a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a new replacement cable specific to the Dyson HD01. You can find these cables at most appliance stores or online. Begin by unplugging your Dyson HD01. Safety is paramount, so make sure the vacuum is completely disconnected from any power source. Next, take your flathead screwdriver and carefully remove the screws located at the base of the vacuum head. There are usually 4 screws to remove. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently lift the top cover. Be cautious as there may be some clips holding it in place. If you're having trouble, use the flathead screwdriver to gently pry it open. With the cover removed, you will see the internal wiring connected to the motor and the power cord. Now, locate the existing cable connection. Carefully note how the old cable is connected. It's a good idea to take a picture for reference. Using your Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the terminal connections holding the old cable in place. Once unscrewed, gently pull the old cable out. If you notice any dust or debris inside, now is a great time to clean the internal components of your vacuum. A quick wipe with a dry cloth can help maintain its performance. Before installing the new cable, ensure that it matches the specifications of the original. Take the new cable and thread it through the same path as the old one. Connect the new cable to the terminal as per your reference picture, making sure it's tight and secure. If you're unsure or don't have the tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Once the cable is securely connected, replace the top cover of the vacuum. Align it properly and press down until you hear a click, indicating that the clips are back in place. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier and tighten them with your Phillips screwdriver. Now, it's time to plug your Dyson HD01 back in and test the new cable. Check for any unusual sounds or smells. If everything seems fine, congratulations! You have successfully replaced the cable. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We also provide pickup and delivery at your home, ensuring no calls and no travel are needed on your part. Finally, remember to keep your vacuum clean and well maintained to prolong its life. Regular cleaning of the filters and emptying the dust can prevent future issues. If you ever need a quote before repair or professional help, our team is just a call away. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your restored Dyson HD01. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.